Hello everyone, I hope you've all been well. For anyone who's new, my name is Olivia, and in today's video I will be revealing and wrapping with the Wrapunzel July 2024 Scarf of the Month. Now before I get started, this is going to be a little bit different than what I've been doing. Obviously I have on a shadel because I have been requested to do some shaperless wrap styles. I tend to go over the top with the volume, and I absolutely love a shaper, but for today I am going without one. I'm going to try to show a few different styles with the Scarf of the Month that are just like practical and whimsical and just, you know, are a little bit of everything. This is by no means all of them that I'm going to be doing without a shaper, but I think this is a good beginning for shaperless wraps for me. I have, let's see, I'm just going to get started. I have on my head the adjustable no-slip velvet headband from Wrapunzel. I have it on this way, so it's over top of my hair. I think that's going to work best for the first couple of wraps that I'm going to do. So I think that's just the way I'm going to do it. Alternatively, you could put it on underneath the hair, but for what I'm doing today, this is going to work out much better. The scarf this month is a really beautiful scarf. It is shades of blue, which is very calming and peaceful. The material is a viscose material, and it's very soft and lightweight, which is great for these days that are just so hot. It's crazy. But it is the standard length for our rectangular scarves that we've been receiving from Wrapunzel. The width, I'm just wiggling around, I'm so sorry. I will give up close views of the fabric and more descriptions in a sec. The width is really good, and as you can see, there are the little tassels, so that adds a little bit of fun to the wraps. They are colors that are already inside of the scarf. The edges of the scarf are finished, so you have all the way around a nice seam, so it's going to be less likely to have fraying bits. So that's excellent. The fabric is pomegranates. So you can see the cut open pomegranates, and in the background you can also see some just whole pomegranates. The little ones, little pieces that look like spots or water droplets, are actual seeds, so that is super cool. You have some leaves in there. Loving it. There's also a bit of pink, a nice dusty pink color. So yeah, I thought that would bring out the color. If my hair would bring out the color in the scarf. So super cool. And the accessory is fun too. It is a headband that is pink, and it has the gold beads around the gemstones. But if you look very closely, it is bows. It's like, super cute. You have a little knot in the center and then the loop-de-doops. So that is amazing. I love that. It's a bit of play. And unless you really were looking closely, you wouldn't notice it, but that is so fun. The extra stretchy double elastic, also cool. And the soft background fabric that is going to keep it from snagging on our scarves. There is a snag risk, so be careful when you're wrapping and using the headband that you don't get caught on those little prongs that are holding in the jewels. These seem to be seated fairly flush with the gems. Oh, excuse me. They're seated flush with the gems, so it's less likely to cause a problem. Right there, that one's not. But just be mindful. All right, so I'm going to get started. I'm hoping to do just a few wraps for you, and then maybe sorry, I'm losing it today. And maybe videotape a few more, so this video is not like an hour long. I want to keep it shorter than that, but I'm going to be videotaping these looks and then a few more just for fun, and then yeah. All right, now let's get started with the wrapping. What I'm going to do here for the first strap is I'm going to fold the scarf in half completely, the long way. So you have both sets of tassels hanging on the one side. Okay, now let me scooch back just a little bit. I am then going to be taking the almost square scarf and folding it down so I have a long triangle. And then when I put it in my lap, I'm going to fold that pointy piece of the triangle up underneath just to hide it away. I just don't want it to show when I tie it on my head. Okay. All right. Now I'm taking the scarf like so, triangle down. I'm going to place it on my head so that the long part is back here and on top of my hair. Okay. Make sure it's neat. Okay. Bringing it up like so. And I'm going to be tying a knot right here. Okay. Flip this thing up. All right, so I have this nice big piece, and as you can see, it extends down here and it extends over here. I'm going to be wiggling it up to the top, just like so. Pull this forward just a little bit. Wiggle it all up to the top. And then I'm going to hide my headband. All right. Lots of different things you could do at this point, but I think what I want to do is this, what I did yesterday while playing with this scarf. I'm going to tie a knot here, like so. I'm going to fluff up this piece here. Just spread it out, fluff it up just a little bit. Tie this a little bit tighter, a little bit tighter. And then I am going to leave this one hang down with the tassels, and I'm bringing this piece over and tucking it. The one without the tassels gets tucked. And then I have this little piece that was the pointy part of the triangle. I'm just going to drop it down as well. So I have a bit of, just a bit of fun down the end. Alternatively, you could take it and tie a big knot up here and do more knots, but I think I'm going to love this one, just like so. Okay, I'm going to turn around and show you the back. So you can see it covers that, but it covers the headband very well. What I thought about doing, because I didn't put on the headband, is having this just seat across so I can have it on, because I think it would be cute this way instead of wrapping it around my head, because I feel like I would see the elastics on it in this style. But I think this is kind of cute having that on. Now, obviously, if I'm going out and about and not just filming a video, I would secure that down with some pins or tie it somehow in the knot. No, I would not tie the elastic in a knot. That's a bad idea. I would just put it on like so, and then have a couple of pins to hold it in place with the elastics. But it's super fun, super cute. I really like this. Okay. And if you don't like this knot behind it, undo one of the knots and have more cascades like so. So that's totally, totally cute. All right, for the next wrap, I am going to undo the knots in my lap, because I think what I'm going to do is open up the scarf. I'm going to fold over the front edge just a little bit. I'm going to be placing it on my head like so. And then I am going to bring around into the back. And then this way, I'm just bringing it on top of the hair. I know that seems very odd. And then I am going to find my hairpin that I just had here. Always be prepared, right? I have just a plain old ordinary straight pin with the pearl head. Oh my goodness, words. All right, and I'm just pinning it back here. Okay. All right, now let's get our tails brought back over, like so. Okay. I'm going to be doing a twist. Twist all the way around. I'm going to be bringing this underneath and then having this come out right here, a little bit of the tails. I can leave this here just like this. This is one style. This is kind of cute. I really like this. Headband goes right here on this look. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, and it will definitely be hidden by the scarf. So this is the cute look. Totally just swing it around. We could also just bring it around too. Twist, twist, twist. Bring it up. And we're going to go behind and bring it over. Bring through, same as the other. And here we have another look. It's almost like a beanie cap or a beret. And for those of us with big heads like me, this is about the only way I'm getting a beret on my head, unless I create it myself because big head. So I'm going to turn around and show you the back. You can see it covers everything back here. It's really cute. All right, so fun. All right, I'm going to take this one off. Tuck, there we go. All right, now another thing, if you are just playing, if we're just playing with this, is I can did I knot it? I did. Okay, come on, friend. There we go. I got it caught in the headband. Okay, so we have here, and say we just wanted to do a veil. We can swing this on top like so. Ooh, not used to working with hair. Oh my goodness. All right, so I have the veil going down. I can do another twist up and over like this and still have the veil coming down. I could bring this piece forward. So I'm pinching just the front triangle and then bringing the twisted piece up, the twisted tail up. I'll hold this down just a little bit. I don't want it to be too loose. So we get this twisted all the way around. And then we are going to tuck it in the back, like so. And then I've got another style here, little veil style. Now, of course, you could also do this under your hair. I think that would be cute too. But I'm trying to have different looks and expand my wrapping experience. All right. I hope that's a good way to put it. Go out of my comfort zone and my norm. Let me take it off this headband. Put it in my lap so I don't lose it. All right, I'm taking out the pin, scarf off, and then I am going to take the scarf and I am folding it almost in half. can see here, it's almost in half. And I'm going to be placing it on my head the same kind of way with the folded piece at the back, and I'm going to wrap up front. Okay, I think I'm going to do this one without the accessory. Okay, so we have like so. All right, and then we're going to hopefully make this not messy. Okay. All right, swoop, scooch back in just a little bit. Okay, and we're gonna swoop up. All right, let's pull that down in the back just a little bit. And this one's kind of whimsical and fun. Get you down here, underneath a little bit. Okay, so one knot. So what we're gonna do is right over left. Okay, let's see if we can get that in there. All right, so we have a nice flat knot come through. Okay, nice and flat. Now I'm going to make a bow, a nice, really big bow. I think this would be really cute. Okay, and very whimsical. Right here, right here. Okay. Whew, those are in my face. So I'm going to take the long end under the loop, bring it around, and there is a, just bring it around. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So for the right side that I did to the left, just bring it all the way around. And then I am going to be opening up the bow, making sure when I open up the bow that I don't open up the entire piece. I want it to be folded in half almost and then opened up like that. So it gives it more body. If I opened it up completely, it would just be floppy, and I'm not interested in that. I want something really, really big and just definitely a statement piece. Okay, so let's bring this down. Takes a little bit of adjusting to get that bow right in front. I may even have to bring this down a little bit. All right, friend. There we go. Back and around. Okay, so here we are. For that nice big bow. And I have it like at an angle, you know, like this. If you wanted it flat, you could adjust it to be flat. I know this is not to everyone's taste, but this gives me a bit of a fun anime kind of feel. Super cute, super fun. Right, and then I've got this piece here that's a little wonky, so I'm going to try and tuck it back in. Okay, so it gives me a little bit of body to my bow. So this is the, I'm gonna say this is the last wrap in this video. I'm gonna continue to play with this and create wraps with no shaper, and then I'm gonna create some fun. All right, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope you also enjoyed the video. I will see you again next month for the August 2024 Scarf of the Month reveal and wrap. Bye now.